Hey guys, Dr. Chris here with Mid-Atlantic Chiropractic Center. We have Amy here for an adjustment. Amy is one of our amazing patients. She's been coming in for a while. She does a lot of working out, CrossFit, things like that, so it's very stressful on the body, so we just make sure that we keep everything in a line so Amy can keep going and be her best. All right. How's the body treating you today?
Okay.
Okay.
It was a little tough yesterday.
A little tough yesterday?
Yeah, it was overhead squats, and they were heavy overhead squats, so this side was tweaked a little bit.
And I can see that because this side is a lot shorter today. This side is longer, so we're going to do an adjustment for that first. So what I'm going to have you do, lay on your left side facing me. And perfect. It's like you've done this before.
A few hundred times.
All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to bring this bone up and out just like that. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Aim, fire. Perfect. Let's go on the other side. Did you feel that one?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I felt it too.
I think the world did.
Your spine gave me a high five.
Sweet.
Now this side we're bringing down. So we're going to go right through here, just like this. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
And one more. There it is. On your belly. Now, it should be nice and even. Your vans are lined up. Perfect. And we do have a lateral bend in the lumbar spine. So we're going to do an adjustment through here to help bring that back to neutral. So we're going to push into the high side of that curve, just like that. That's okay? Mm-hmm. 2 more. Good. And last one. Perfect. Okay. And now, let's go on your back. And we will go. Hands behind the neck, fingers interlocked, elbows up. This is going to allow us to get more flexion through the thoracic spine. So nice deep breath in and let it all go. Let it push here. Good. One more up a little higher. Okay. Perfect. So down through here is where we've been doing adjustments to help with the curvature in the neck. Any tenderness when I press through these? No, good. So I'm going to do one adjustment on this side just to get motion through and help improve that curve. We're going to bring the head this way. We're pushing right through here. That bone's going to go across just like that. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And one more. There it is.
Heard that one.
We found it. That's still okay when I press through there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, there we are.
Yay, all in one day.
Anything else I can do for you?
Go to the grocery store for me.
I'll see what I can do. There we are. How'd your adjustment go?
Good. It went
Good?
great. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Well,
Much better.
enjoy the rest of your day. If you guys liked our video, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and follow us for more. Take care, guys.